Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as I sit here and try and start the Z, it's got some weird ignition issue. We on. Hey guys, I think I've made a bit of a decision about the two RX7s. Basically, the conclusion that I've come to is that no matter what car I build, I will want to build one that's low, it's wide, it's loud, and it's a bit more aggressive and more race car feel than that of a standard one. That means that regardless of whether I kept the one that I had or the one that I've just bought, the guards are going to get cut, it's going to get flares. So really I thought to myself, well, you know, I always said I would never sell the blue one, and it's something I want to have for as long as I can, so forever. So basically it looks like I'm going to sell the black one. So I've just got to race down to the shops, do some stuff, but hopefully this afternoon, as you can see, it's still got a bit of sun, I might get a start on pulling the coilovers out of the black car and doing a bit of a transplant of all the good parts to my collection of stuff for the blue one, the old one. So I'm just going to move this thing. Haven't driven it really for a few days, and in my street it's too low to go over speed bumps, so I have to reverse back. So much traffic. Man, the bumper is hanging off this thing. And my vent broke because it was just held on with tape. But I know, I kind of like it because if anyone knows what they're looking at, they can see the turbo. Right, time to get home, work on some cars. Alright guys, so I'm going to say goodbye to that car soon. So this is turning into a SA22C coilover install, basically. Cool. All right, let's fast Let's fast forward till this is clean. All right, so I've jacked the car up. It's on stands. Lucky me, following the instructions. See how close I can stick to them. But basically got to pull the wheels off, brakes come off, and then I think I can start attacking the bolts that hold the shock in place. Right, let's get to it. Okay, so I've got to remove these pins to pull this big pin, so then I can crack the nuts in the back of the caliper. Caliper should slide off, I guess. Right, get to that now. Okay, so the caliper's off, which is pretty easy. Now I just got to keep following my nose, I guess. To get to the rear caliper bolts, 1, 2, and I think that should be it. This arm here really gets in the way because, as you can see, there's usually a bolt, so it pulls it closer to there. Drop that out, got a screwdriver in there, and wedged it out so I can actually get access to it. Otherwise, you'd never get anything in there. So now we're gonna undo that, pull that. Hopefully, the caliper should come off with it. Okay, so the caliper pretty much fell off once those bolts came out. Now that I've already cracked this nut, I should pretty much be able to slide it off. Awesome. Now I've got access to those 4 bolts, which should pull the dust cover off, and then I pretty much should be able to finish popping off the rest of the strut bolts, including the ones at the top, and pull the strut off. All right, let's skip ahead a bit. So these bolts are in pretty tight. Had to use a breaker bar to crack them. I really need to get myself some power tools. It's so much easier. Okay, so now that I've taken the dust cover off, everything's up. There's 2 bolts on either side of this arm that attach the strut to it. They're undone. Now I'm pretty sure I've just got to crack these 4 bolts and the strut should drop. I should be able to pull it out. Hopefully there's no dramas with the spring as well, but we'll see. So, with a bit of a pull, the strut is out. Right guys, so essentially what I've done is I've completely pulled the strut. Strut's out, the brake's obviously off to do that, so there's a little bit of a tutorial there. Remaining, I want to make use of the fact that the other 7 has all new bushings through here. So I think the least intrusive way to remove everything, so I have to do it basically 4 times, this side, the other side, then that car, this side, the other side, then swap them over, so really 8 times, is I'm going to undo from there. I've already cracked that bolt, undo the sway bar where it bolts to the chassis. There's like mounts under here. These big bolts up here, I don't know if you can see that, up in there. So they're all cracked. And I'll do the same thing for the other side, and then just undo the lower control arms, and undo them down under there, and hopefully I should be able to drop everything under, slide it out, and attach it back onto the other vehicle. And I can take everything out of the other one in one big go. So that's going to be a plan for the next video, I think. I might leave this one as removing the suspension from an SA22C. Probably come in handy for when I go to do the next one. I've already forgotten how to do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.